Chocolate Custard Lava Pudding. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this at home from the scratch. You will be amazed how it is made just by using basic ingredients. Make this recipe and surprise your kids. They will definitely love it. And please subscribe to my channel. To a large mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of milk. To this add in 2 heaped teaspoons of custard powder and 2 heaped teaspoons of powdered sugar. Using a hand whisk, combine it really well until no lumps remain. Once it's perfectly combined, add in the bread slice and soak it well in this mixture. This custard mixture we made is the first step to soak the bread slices. Grease a pan with some butter and place the soaked bread slice over it. Repeat the same for another bread slice. Keep it on a low flame, as the custard mixture needs to be cooked. And then carefully turn the sides. Toast the bread slices until slightly golden brown. Repeat the same for another 2 slices and keep them aside. Now to this same custard mixture add 1 cup of milk, 2 heaped teaspoons of dark cocoa powder. To this add in 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Using a hand whisk, combine everything together. Keep mixing until the cocoa powder is dissolved in the milk. Now to make the chocolate custard pudding, transfer these ingredients to a cooking pot. To this add in 1 cup of chopped dark cooking chocolate. Give it all a good mix. By keeping it on a medium to low flame, cook it by constantly stirring it. As you see, the chocolate begins to melt, and the custard mixture begins to cook and thicken. Keep stirring it until you get the desired thickness. Turn off the flame when this consistency is obtained. Now, using the back part of a spoon, make a center hole in the bread slices. And press that part down. Now carefully pour the prepared chocolate custard pudding. I cannot tell you what incredible results you get. It has a very subtle chocolatey flavor and gets over in minutes, as everyone would dive into it. So all that I can tell you is, do try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a comment. Try this recipe and enjoy this with your friends and family. Hope you enjoyed its making. Please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe.